It's a beautiful day out. We're gonna go for a hike. Hey guys, welcome back to House of Jacob's Travels. Today we are going to hit up Lake Thunderbird State Park. I think it's actually just called Thunderbird State Park, but there is a Lake Thunderbird here. It is a pretty neat little area, not too far out of town of Norman on, right off Highway 9. So they have some biking, they have some trails, and what it is mostly biking / hiking trails. They also have horse trails here. As you can see, there are people with horses that come here to ride their horses here. Now, they used to have a stable and stuff. They've taken that down, so they don't do horse boarding or anything anymore, but they still have the trails, so people will come, bring their horses, and that's separate from the biking / hiking trails. Yeah, it's been about a year since I've been here, so these brand new bathrooms are actually something I'm excited about. They used to have bathrooms here. It's not like they're horrible, but you know, they're the typical hiking trail bathrooms. These are actually really freaking nice. I think they probably just put them in this year during the summer because it still smells like new paint. So that's pretty cool. And they've got some other new stuff. Looks like they've redone some of the benches and everything. Let's check that out. Hi, babe. You checking out the brand new benches they got?
Brand new benches?
Yeah, these weren't here last time.
I don't remember.
Yeah, those bathrooms are new, the benches are new. So we are technically at the Clear Bay Trailhead. There's other trailheads that go here, but this is the one we normally come to when we come out here. And I'm just gonna show you the map they have of the actual trails. I think, I measured out once. If you do them all, it's like 20 something miles, but you can always do the cutoffs and stuff. So check out this map. All right, so as you can see, everything doubles back on itself. They used to have a red trail and a different trail. So now they just have the green loop, the blue loop, and the gold loop, and some bypasses. Normally we stick to the green loop. If I'm doing running, I might go all the way out to the blue loop, or even cut off the green and into, does green go to the yellow? Oh, they have really changed up the trails. All right. Yeah, they used to have a way to get to the intermediate from the novice, and there was 2 novice trails and stuff. So now there's just the novice, the intermediate, and the advanced. And as you saw, that was over 20 miles of trails. So there is absolutely no way that you could be bored of doing these out here. And it's a lot of biking and hiking and stuff. But yeah, pretty cool. We're all sprayed up with off. I do know that they usually have ticks and stuff out here, and I'm actually kind of excited to see what the trails look like nowadays. If they've redone them. I know they were recutting them at one point last year, and now I guess they're done. So let's go check them out. All right, so the trails are one way, as you can see. They've renamed this now, not just the Green Trail, but it is the Bobcat Trail. And there goes everybody without me, because I'm videoing. It really helps when stuff's one way. You know, everybody goes in the same direction. You're not going to be dodging bikes from the front and back. You just have to worry about stuff from behind you. So that really helps out. I like trails that are like that. It's not that I dislike trails that aren't, but it's just kind of tough, especially if you're a biker, to have bike traffic coming towards each other. So usually a lot nicer to have a trail that goes one way. And that actually, that little fork right there, even though it looks like you can go the other way, I mean, I guess you could, but that's where it comes back to. So that's like the trailhead, boom, big circle. And that's what we're gonna do, the novice Bobcat Green 2.3 mile trail. I think it's a 2.3. All right, so we're on the Bobcat Trail, and Bella and her friend went further ahead, and they're like, oh, do we need to stay on Bobcat? Because right there, Bobcat goes left and Coyote goes straight. Well, if you know anything about hiking, you know that the white is almost always the bypass trail and goes back. We're wanting to continue on the Green Trail. They just changed the name of the part of it. So now we are on the Coyote Trail. All right, we are at, I guess the girls went the right way, hopefully. We're sticking to the Coyote Trail, but this is where you would hit the Blue Loop. They don't put any fancy names on the Blue Loop because the Blue Loop is 13.8 miles. And see, remember I said the white one's the bypass bed? The bypass will take you back wherever you go. Yeah, to the front. So we are here, and we just got to finish going around. And see, where the Bobcat jumps back onto Coyote, right there is where the girls wanted to go back. So it would have just been like that. Yep, see, bypass is like a little thing that just takes you back onto the backwards trail. They got lots of them on this. You'll see, this is a bypass right here. Anywhere the trail gets real close and has a little loop back. Right here. This one has a lot of bypasses. This bridge you can bypass back around to the Gold Start right away. Gold, yes, and it's an extra 10 miles. So if you did all these miles, it would be 3.2 plus 13.8, so that's 17, 20, 27.2 miles for all this. And those ones do go out there, but we're not gonna go out to the, we don't get out to the water on ours. Still fun though. I had it backwards. It's 3.2 miles for ours instead of 2.3. It's a spider web. Yeah, but look right there. See that? See how everything kind of tunnels down in there? Yeah. It's pretty cool. Like forces everything to go in there. Once it's trapped forever. Following the leader, the leader, the leader. Following the leader wherever she may go. Tee-dum, tee-dee. It's part of the game we play. Hi, babe. What are you looking at your phone for?
The girl was texting me.
Oh, what'd she text you?
She said this trail is longer than 3 miles because I just saw the 3 mile sign like 10 minutes ago.
Oh, well, considering we just passed it, and I can still hear them, I highly doubt that they saw it 10 minutes ago.
Well, since she's over-exaggerating.
Oh, okay. All right, that's it. Nice, easy trail to come hike on. You got a couple hours and you're in the OKC area, by all means, hit up Thunderbird State Park. We had a nice hike, got in some fresh air, it's not too hot out, and I learned a lesson. See all this paint? Don't put off on your hands and then hold it because it ends up like this, like all over your hands. But apparently I forgot that. So that's it for us today. I'm gonna head home, get this video all done, hang out with the family, and guys, we'll see you next time on House Jacobs Travels.